Join me as I try to make the crispiest, spicy roasted chickpeas ever. Can I nail the perfect recipe? I'm really excited to share this recipe with you. It's a total game changer for anyone craving a healthy snack that's super tasty and a breeze to whip up. Crispy, spicy roasted chickpeas are the perfect combo of crunch, flavor, and nutrition. We've all been there scrolling through our feeds, looking for that perfect snack that's going to satisfy our cravings without ruining our diet. By the way, the recipe for the crispy, spicy roasted chickpeas can be found in the posts of my channel. But please, watch this video first till the end. The problem is, most healthy snacks are either bland or boring, and let's be real, who wants to munch on a piece of plain old celery all day? We need something with a little more pizzazz, something that's gonna make our taste buds do the happy dance. And that's where these roasted chickpeas come in. They're crunchy, spicy, and seriously addictive. Plus, they're packed with protein, fiber, and vitamins, making them a guilt-free snack that you can devour all day long. I'm talking about a snack that's not only delicious, but also nutritious. The best part? They're incredibly easy to make. All you need are a few simple ingredients and some basic kitchen tools. So, if you're tired of the same old boring snacks and want to spice up your snack game, then keep watching, because I'm about to share my secrets for making the crispiest, spicy roasted chickpeas ever. To make these babies, you'll need a can of chickpeas, some olive oil, salt, and a blend of spices that I like to call my magic mix. It's a secret recipe, but I'll give you a hint. It involves a lot of paprika and chili powder. First, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Rinse those chickpeas and pat them dry with a paper towel. This step is crucial for achieving maximum crispiness. Next, toss the chickpeas with olive oil, salt, and your magic mix until they're evenly coated. Spread them out on a baking sheet in a single layer, making sure not to overcrowd the sheet. You want to give those chickpeas some room to breathe so they can get nice and crispy. Pop that baking sheet into the oven and roast those chickpeas for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until they're golden brown and crispy. You'll know they're done when you hear that satisfying crunch when you bite into one. The moment of truth has finally arrived. Let's take a look at our perfectly roasted chickpeas. Oh yeah, look at that perfect texture. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. It's like a little piece of heaven in every bite. Incorporating roasted chickpeas into your diet is a great way to boost your protein and fiber intake, and they're also super versatile. You can season them with different spices and herbs to match your mood. Whether you're a fan of spicy food or prefer something more mild, these chickpeas are sure to become a staple in your snack rotation. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you give this recipe a try, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious, healthy recipes, and check out the ingredients and instructions in my posts on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.